Welcome to Vidanta Resorts.
So they give us this little restaurant. This is actually our key. So this is how it works. Once it turns green.
Let us give you a tour of the room. Alright guys, so honestly, this is a big ass resort. So definitely be prepared to walk.
It's a good thing because you can actually explore what's in here.
And it's beautiful too. Like it's not just like you're walking through like the desert. No, check this out. Like you're walking through like the jungle. You gotta come here with just your loved ones. Don't come with kids here because they're gonna walk a lot and they're gonna be like
frustrated. You're gonna get kids crying. You don't want that.
So far, the employees have been really helpful actually. They've been really nice to us.
Friendly, great customer service. That's what Colorado needs. ¿A dónde? A Xcaret. No hemos ido ahí, ¿verdad?
No, ayer fuimos solamente a Xochimilco.
Apenas llegamos ayer. Ajá.
Sí. Igual Xcaret es muy bonito.
It's probably one of the biggest pools I've ever seen. It's like a mile long. It goes like way out there. Yeah, it's not bad. It's actually heated. It's kind of nice.
Heated?
I think so. We just keep finding pools. Damn, look, it just keeps going. Alright guys, we probably walked like another like 200 feet. And then now we get to an even bigger pool. Oh yeah, and then look, they have an actual like alligator farm here. It's a pretty big alligator. And they have, there's another little bed, but yeah, si te metes, yeah. Alright guys, so before I forget, we were just at the Wave and Tacos. It's about 10 o'clock at night and they close at 10:30. So I completely understand why, you know, we wouldn't have grade A service just because they want to go home, and I completely understand that. But it was so rude that I literally just got a water and we said, let's dip.
The waitress seemed like she owned the restaurant and she really wanted to pressure us to buy food there.
And honestly, it was $8 a taco. $8 a taco. When's the last time you ate one taco? This water was $7. We're here in room service. You're gonna see what we're about to eat and it's gonna be like $30, which is still a lot for 2 people, but it's great food.